Our person of the week is a doctor, a pediatrician who is arguably the greatest advocate for children in Western North Carolina, maybe even the state. What he has done for children and families goes way beyond medicine. Recently, he was honored for his impact in the community and advocacy that will make a difference for years to come.
Hey!
Congratulations!
Dr. Olson Huff is about to receive an honor. Recognition not just for a single act.
I'm just glad that they're going to have this recognition.
Well, you're very kind.
For decades of dedication to the well-being of others.
They're trying to revise some of the protocols.
Especially children.
Olson Huff is one of the true giants in Western North Carolina and really in North Carolina and the nation.
I am so pleased to be able to give you our third annual Michael T. Danforth Community Service Award.
The Michael Danforth Award for Community Service is named for a young man who died because of a rare birth defect and lack of treatment. He had no insurance because of a pre-existing condition. The president of the nonprofit Western North Carolina Health Advocates is his mother.
By the time anybody would do anything for him, it was too late to save his life.
Why is it that Michael Danforth's name is with us today so that we can do something right?
For Dr. Olson Huff, doing something for thousands of families means more than doctoring.
It boils down to how we actually connect to the children in our lives and how we want to make sure that they are honored, respected, treated, cared for.
This is my daughter, Clementine.
I'm glad to see you.
Huff.Kendra Turner was his patient as a young child. She's seen the difference he's made in many lives.
His policy work and his advocacy work and how he's impacted the community even beyond the medical.
We look to him for leadership on health care issues for children, for adults.
He helped launch Start Smart, an early childhood development program. He came up with track trails to get children active in the outdoors.
We just recently opened one of our track trails in the White House Gardens.
He's authored 3 books and many articles.
So this is a story of a circus that was failing and a clown who was really down on life.
Now, everywhere you go, if there's advocacy to be done for children's health or children's well-being, Olson's there.
This is Ruth Graham and I at her home. This was shortly after we started the Ruth and Billy Graham Children's Health Center.
And at Mission Children's Hospital, the Child Development Center is named after him.
Olson Huff's fingerprint is all over the Children's Hospital. You know, he is the founding medical director of Mission Children's Hospital.
Dr. Huff is leaving his mark in ways that will last for generations.
The reason we're here today is we're going to bat.
And if you ask him why, his answer is simple.
That is advancing health care for every one of us.
He can't help it.
Somehow ingrained in every human being, I think, is a challenge and an opportunity and a reason to do and to be what they are. And if somehow they can listen at some points to that little inner voice, they will do what they're going to do because they can't help it.
It's in his DNA. It's who Olson Huff is.
And because of who he is, Olson Huff has made life better.
And so, till the day I die, that will be who I am, and that'll be what I'll continue to be doing. Affordable and quality health care to every citizen in this country.
Well, if you know someone who makes a difference and inspires others, I'd like to hear from you. Send an email to news@WLOS.com.